What is that sound? Oh my God. It sounds like a plane. But there isn't a plane. I've looked on my plane tracking app, plane finder, and there's not a plane. What the hell is that noise? Oh my God. What the hell is that loud noise? I heard it in my bedroom. I was lying down and I could hear it outside. I opened up my Velux window and I could hear this. The moon's up there. That's not a plane. As I say, I look straight on my plane finder and there's no planes near Lincoln. That's south there. Gone. Oh my God, what was that? That's not a plane, I tell you now. That's supernatural from Jehovah. Another sign watchtower is going to go down. Well, I'm glad I got that on video. Yeah, it's gone quiet now. That was so loud. Oh my God. Right, I'll get this uploaded to YouTube now. Bye for now. I've just come straight upstairs from recording the video of the loud noise. And as you can see, this is my plane finder app. And there's no planes in the vicinity. Look at that. That's Lincoln. That's where I live, where the blue dot is. And there's no plane. Well, that was sort of in the east. And the only plane there is this one here. That's just coming near Chesterfield in the UK. And that's from Dublin to the Dubai Emirates. So as you can see, there's definitely no plane in the vicinity. What was that noise all about, really? That was supernatural noise, and there's no doubt about it. Anyway, that's the evidence. Bye for now.